Okay class, now we'll do next topic, angle. What is an angle? An angle is formed when two line segments or two rays have a common end point. This is one segment AB, this is one segment BC. They both are having one end point, means they are both are meeting at one single point, that is B. So B is their common point, common fixed point. So B is called the vertex, and this is forming an angle. This is forming an angle ABC. You can see B is the common fixed point between the two line segments AB and BC. In this, AB and BC are called arms of the angle. I hope this is clear. When two line segments or rays meet at one fixed point, they form an angle. It can be anything B, A, C. Here A is the common fixed point, here C is the common fixed point. Okay, then comes the measuring unit. An angle is measured in degrees. Then comes types of angles. There are 5 types of angles. Acute angle. Now angles which are less than 90 degree, that is 60 degree, 30 degree, like this, etc. But less than 90 degree, they are called acute angles. Then comes obtuse angles. Angles which measures between 90 and 180. That is 150 degree, 160 degree. 150 degree, 160 degree, because they are more than 190 and less than 180. Then comes your right angle. In right angle, they are exactly equal to 90 degree. Okay. Then comes straight angle. In straight angle, they are exactly equal to 180 degree. Then comes your reflex angle, which are between 180 and 360, means more than 180 and less than 360, like this. This is a reflex angle. For example, it is 240 degree. It is more than 180 and less than 360. Then comes 2 more topics, that is complementary angles and supplementary angles. One P is missing over here. Supplementary angles. Now what are complementary angles? If there are 2 angles and their sum is exactly 90 degree, then they are called complementary angles. For example, one angle is X, another angle is Y, and their sum is exactly equal to 90 degree, then they are called complementary angles, and each one of them will be called complement of the other. Means X is the complement of Y and Y is the complement of X. Similarly, if their sum is exactly equal to 180 degree, then they are called the supplementary angles, and each one of them is called supplement of the other. X is the supplement of Y and Y is the supplement of X. I hope I am clear to you till here, and now we will be starting our exercise in our next video. Thank you.